and what's your name?
Vineet.
Vineet.
Yeah.
Why did you join ISBR?
Well, I joined ISBR especially because it was at the hub of Bangalore, Electronic City. We knew we'll have so many companies around that we can approach, and the educational approach is going to be practical. Since we have a lot of them around, definitely it makes sense being there among them and then working there so that you grow with them rather than growing in.
So how is the faculty at ISBR?
Yeah, well, faculty, they're all great. We had some very good faculty. I mean, most of them were even going to, especially the visiting faculty, they were even going to IIMs and taking lectures there. And regular faculty, they have been very good. They always have been with us whenever we need them as facilitators rather than being just a teacher. So we could go to them anytime, we could talk as friends, and we were always sure that whatever we need, we'll get from there.
So what's the most memorable moment at ISBR for you?
Well, somehow it's today because I got a couple of medals, maybe 3, it's okay. Though, yeah, all the moments in ISBR have been fun-filled. Though we have been learning every moment, we had to meet so many people, all from different nations sometimes, and it has been a great experience all around.
What are the other facilities ISBR is providing you with?
ISBR as such has all the facilities. We have a hostel which is in corporate guest house. It's called Vusto Cambians in Singh Chandra. It's a beautiful place to be, and also the environment is pretty much conducive if you want to learn as well as if you want to party around or if you want to have some fun. It's good for everything, and the library as such used to be one of my favorite places somehow.
Tell me more about the hostel life at ISBR.
Hostel life as usual has been great, though hostel life in ISBR was a little different from other hostels. The reason being the guest house was being used by Infosys employees, Accenture employees, and we had a lot of chances to meet and interact with them. So it was a great feeling in all to have friends from all the domains, not only those who are studying with us, but with outside the world. That makes sense when you're doing management education. That helps.
How are the placements at ISBR? Are you placed?
Yes, I'm placed. I'm working with Aris Global.
Okay.
I'm working there as a junior manager product marketing. I had a couple of placements more from college, and yes, they have been helping us. And even when the time was not good, college was always there, who came up, helped us. And even if we go out, I guess we are well equipped to take it all.
All right. Thanks for your time.
Thanks a lot.
Thank you.